ચાલુ થઈ
Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to practice for section C. In part 1, we have done such kind of exercise regarding match the language functions with the sentence. So in first part, we have practiced for join A and B up to number 12. Now we are going ahead in the practice with another number. With 11, we will start. We all of have studied about niceties. So section C, question 1 and 2 are related with niceties. Okay, number 11, we are going to start. Stay here till I return. Again, stay here till I return. Four options are given: describing contrast, describing request, C. describing alternative, and D. describing time. So we have already taught you that whenever you find till, until, after, before, when, while, these kinds of connectives always suggest time. Right? So the first sentence, stay here till I return. As there is still in the sentence, the answer will be describing time. Right? So the first number will connect with describing time D. Second, although Shardul is young, he knows good manners. See the sentence again. Although Shardul is young, he knows good manner. Right? As there is connective though, although, even though, and even if. These kind of connectives always suggest contrast. Right? So the second sentence will be connected with describing the contrast with alternative A. Right? Second, although Shardul is young, he knows good manners. Right? So this sentence will be connected with option A, describing contrast. Now third one. Would you open the window for me? Would you open the window for me? This sentence suggests such kind of request. Right? So third sentence will be connected with the option B, describing request. Right? When there is a would in the beginning of the sentence and inversion question, it always suggests request. Next layer 12. Mruga does not type so fast as Kalyani. See the sentence again. Mruga does not type so fast as Kalyani. As there is use of so as, right? So fast as. So as is connected with degree, positive degree. So the first sentence will connected with the option C, describing the comparison. Right? When there is a positive degree, comparative degree or superlative degree, the niceties will be always describing the comparison. So the first sentence is connected with option C, describing comparison. Second, I predict that there will be a change in the weather. Again, see, I predicted that there will be a change in the weather. See the option describing contrast? No. Describing reason? No. Describing comparison? No. It is already connected with sentence number first. Then remaining describing supposition, right? Supposition એટલે અટકળ. બરાબર? અને see the sentence. I predict that there will be a change in the weather. So predict suggests that it is a supposition. Right? So second sentence will be connected with the option D, describing supposition. Now the third sentence. Though every student in the hall intended to copy, the strict supervisor did not allow anyone to do so. See the sentence again. Though every student in the hall intended to copy, the strict supervisor did not allow anyone to do so. As there is the use of though, it suggests contrast. So the third sentence will be connected with the option A, describing a contrast. Right? So first sentence is connected with a comparison, degree, describing comparison C. Second, I predict that there will be a change in the weather is connected with section option D. And the third, though every student in the hall intended to copy, the strict supervisor did not allow anyone to do so. This sentence is connected with the contrast, means describing contrast, option A. Now 13 number. Right. His uncle has a severe toothache, so he consulted a dentist. See, his uncle has a severe toothache, so he consulted a dentist. As there is a so, therefore, so that are used in the sentence, it always suggests result, right? And if there is no result in option, it will be connected with the reason. So let's see. His uncle has a severe toothache, so he consulted a dentist. Right? Let's see the option. Describing condition, describing comparison, describing reason, and the D is expressing emotion. So let's see what will be the option that will connected with the first sentence. His uncle has a severe toothache, so he consulted a dentist. So here use of so connected, so it will be connected with here section C, as there is no written describing result, so it will be connected with section C, describing reason. Second, Rajesh will be safe unless he gives out the secret, right? As there is use of unless, it suggests condition. If and unless connectives suggest us condition, right? So the second sentence, Rajesh will be safe unless he gives out the secret. As there is the use of unless, it will be connected with condition, means option A, describing condition. Now the third sentence. What an ugly creature the camel is. Right? See, it's an exclamatory sentence. And exclamatory sentences are always connected with our emotion. Right? So the third sentence, what an ugly creature the camel is connected with the option D, expressing emotion, right? So it suggests exclamatory sentence always connected with a emotion, right? So the third sentence will be connected with option D, expressing emotion. Now 14, right? See the first sentence, don't leave the premises. Premises means third jagya. Don't leave the premises before you submit your leave report. See the option, describing contrast, describing reason, describing time, and the D option, describing condition. Say the sentence again. Don't leave the premises before you submit your leave report. As there is use of before in the sentence, it always suggests time. Right? So the first sentence will be connected with the option C, describing time. Second sentence, though Richardson tried his best, he could not win the Hero Cup. Say the sentence again. Though Richardson tried his best, he could not win the Hero Cup. As there is use of though, it will be connected with a describing contrast, our option A. So the second sentence will be connected with option A, describing contrast. The third sentence, unless she weeps, she will die. Right? As there is use of unless means condition. So the option will be D, describing condition. So the third sentence, unless she weeps, she will die. This sentence will be connected with option D, describing condition. Next, number 15. First sentence, money is not so valuable as degree. Say the sentence again. Money is not so valuable as degree. as there is use of so as is connected with the option. Let's see the option first. A. Describing alternative? No. B. Describing contrast? No. Third, describing comparison? Yes, as there is use of so as, formation of positive degree in the negative form. So the first sentence will be connected with option C, describing comparison. Second, I took rest because I felt pain. See the sentence again. I took rest because I felt pain. As there is use of because in the sentence, it always suggests reason. I took rest. Why do you take rest? Did you take rest? Okay, because I felt a pain. So because, as, and since. These three connectives suggest reason. So here the connective because is used. So the second sentence will be connected with the option D, describing reason. Third one, either speak slowly or go out. Say the sentence again. Either speak slowly or go out. As there is the use of either or. This suggests either or, neither nor, or suggests us alternative. So the third sentence, either speak slowly or go out, will be connected with the option describing the alternative option A. Right, so we will have in the exam section C, the first question will be regarding this one, join A and B. So we have practiced for 15 exercises. Now in section C, we will have second question after join AB. We will have the second question. Choose and write the appropriate responses focusing to functions to complete the conversation. The functions will be given in the bracket what we will have to do, and then we will have four options. We will have to choose the right option for the suggestions. See the first. Janil said, do you know Milkha Singh, Anjali? Anjali said, yes, I know Milkha Singh dash dash. Then we are giving suggestion describing a person. So we will have to find out such kind of sentence from option that will describe a person. Right? So here the Anjali's answer, yes, I know Milkha Singh. Option A, why did he took part in wrestler? Option B, as he is acting as an actor. Section C, who was known as the Flying Six. And section D, but he was not a politician. So out of these four options, we will have to find out such option that describes person. So for describing person, we will have Adjective clause connected with who, whom, whose, which, and that. So out of these four options, who, whom, whose, and that. These four connectives always suggest that describes person. So here there is the use of who is already there in option C, who was known as the flying six. So the answer of Anjali, yes, I know Milkha Singh, who was known as the Flying Six. So the option will be C for first sentence. Do you know Milkha Singh, Anjali? Anjali said, yes, I know Milkha Singh, who was known as the Flying Six. So the first option C is right. Now second, Mina said, hi Mina, how are you? Mina said something and we are given the suggestion describing nice cities. So again say the dialogue, hi Mina, how are you? So we have four options. Fine, thank you in option A, in option B, wonderful appreciation, in option C, oh, congratulations, and in option D, nice to meet you. So here Bina said, hi Mina, how are you? So the answer of Mina will be fine, thank you. Right? So describing a nice cities. So the answer will be our option A, fine, thank you. Sometimes it will be also given suggestion in such kind of a sentence, exchanging nice cities, right? So you can also see the second suggestion, describing niceties, exchanging niceties, right? So here for second sentence, our option A, fine, thank you, that is describing niceties. Now the third one, Anand said, so tell me more about your trip. What did Anand say? So, tell me more about your trip. Dash dash. And we are giving suggestion asking about numbers. We have to ask about numbers. And the Darshan's answer is, we stayed one day in Delhi and went to Kashmir. So what will be the proper answer about asking about numbers? First option is, where did you stay? Do you think you will get number from this sentence? Where did you stay? No, we will get only place for asking question with where. See option B. Why did you stay there? Do you find any reason is given? No. Third, whom did you meet? Do you think so? No. We have to tell about numbers. So, see the answer of Darshan. We stayed one day in Delhi. Right? So, we are giving number one day. So, what will be the questions for one day? We stayed one day in Delhi and went to Kashmir. So, no option A is right, B is also not right, C is also not right. But the option D, how long did you stay in Delhi, is the proper option. So tell me more about your trip. asking about number. How long did you stay in Delhi? Then Darshan answered, we stayed 1 day. How long? I mean, duration of time. So the answer in number 1 day. So we stayed 1 day in Delhi is the proper answer for our option D. How long did you stay in Delhi? So the in third sentence our answer is D. Having 4. Anand said, oh, you did not stay many days in Delhi. You went to Kashmir. What was it like? Darshan said something. We are given suggestion describing opinion. So we have to give opinion. What was it like? See the first option. It was a trip. Option B, because it was a long trip. C, it was fantastic. D, what a nice shikara trip it was. Now see the Anand's dialogue again. Oh, you did not stay many days in Delhi. You went to Kashmir. What was it like? So regarding Kashmir, we have to give our opinion in Darshan's option answer. Right? So Darshan said something regarding what was it like. Means કાશ્મીર કેવું હતું. તો એના સંદર્ભમાં આપણે ઓપિનિયન આપવાનો છે. તો do you think it was a trip? No. B option, because it was a long trip. No. C, it was fantastic. Yes, what was it like? So the option C, it was fantastic is the right answer. Now fifth one, I work at home. This morning I was working away happily when suddenly everything stopped and a message came up on the screen. The screen went blank. See the dialogue. A said, I work at home. This morning I was working away happily when suddenly everything stopped and a message came up on the screen. The screen went blank. D said something and we are given suggestion making suitable inquiry. We have to make inquiry. So option A, who helped you? Option B, what did the message say? Option C, because your computer is very old. And option D, you are an expert typist. So making suitable inquiry is our suggestion for this dialogue. So what will be our inquiry? Who helped you? No. See the dialogue last two lines when suddenly everything stopped and a message came up on the screen and the screen went blank. So what will be the inquiry? Option B. What did the message say? A message શું કહેતો હતો is suitable inquiry. In inquiry, we are always given questions. the form of WH question word or inversion question. So C and D are already rejected. We have the focus on the two options. Who helped you? And B. What did the message say? So the last sentence, a message came up on the screen and the screen went blank. So we have to ask inquiry about the message. So the B option, what did the message say, is the right answer. Now number 6. My name is Ashok and you, we said something. We are given exchanging nice cities. Let's say the dialogue again. A say, my name is Ashok. And you see the option. Option A, she is Manisha. Option B, Manisha is too weak to walk. Option C, I am Paresh. I am very pleased to meet you. And option D, who are you? Well, see the dialogue again. My name is Ashok and you. So what will be the answer? Option C. I am Paresh. I am very pleased to meet you. This is exchanging nice sentences. Now 7. Number 7. I love watching sport on television. A said, I love watching sport on television. B said something. We are told describing the contrast. Right? When you see the word contrast, we will have in mind though, although, even though, even if, and but. Right? So you will have to remember these 5 options in mind. Right? Now see the option first. Do you love playing games? Option B. Where is the sports ground? Option C. But I like to watch all the film on television. And D. Why did you not watch last match? See the dialogue. I love watching sport on television. તો describing a contrast. કોન્ટ્રાસ્ટ બતાવવાનો છે, વિરોધાભાસ બતાવવાનો છે. તો આ 4 ઓપ્શનમાંથી આપણે કયું લઈશું? ડુ યુ લવ પ્લેઇંગ ગેમ્સ? વેર ઇઝ ધ સ્પોર્ટ્સ ગ્રાઉન્ડ? But I like to watch old films on television. Or why did you not watch last match? So what sentence will you put in contrast of the sentence I love watching sport on television? Option C. But I like to watch old film on television. Sports જોવી ટેલિવિઝન ઉપર ગમે છે, પણ મને જૂના પિક્ચરો જોવા પણ ગમે છે. રાઈટ? સો બટ સજેસ્ટ કોન્ટ્રાસ્ટ. સો ફોર number 7 dialogue, the option C is the proper answer for describing contrast. Now number 8. Kavita said, hello, my name is Kavita. Savita said, I am Savita. Dash dash. Then we are given inquiry about a place. Place we say inquiry કરવાની છે. તો as there is the word inquiry, we would have in mind questions, WH question word. So I am Savita. Dash dash. તો inquiry about place છે. So what will be the option? First A, where do you live? Option B, I live near Panjrapol. Then option C, why do you live there? And option D, how do you go there? Right? So Kavita's dialogue is Kavita said, hello, my name is Kavita. Savita said, I am Savita, and we are given inquiry about place. Place વિશે inquiry કરવાની છે. તો option A, where do you live is the proper answer. એટલે કવિતા ક્યાં રહે છે એના વિશે આપણે inquiry કરી. એટલે શું Savita said, I am Savita. Where do you live is the proper option for number 8 sentence. Now next sentence. Manisha said, I have lost my pencil. What? I have lost my pencil. Harish said, what did he say? Let's see. The suggestion is making request. Right? So I have lost my pencil. Option is it was new. B, I had bought it yesterday. D, did you find it? And C, did you find it? And D, will you give me if you have spare one? હવે making request. વિનંતી કરવાની છે. So what will be the proper option? It was new. No request. I had bought it yesterday. No. C, did you find it? No. But the option D, will you give me if you have spare one? જો બીજી હોય તો આપ મને આપશો. So this one is the proper answer. Will you give me if you have spare one for sentence 9. Now for 10. Purva said, I have run out of paper. See, Purva said, I have run out of paper. Shivangi said, and we are given suggestion making inquiry. We have to make inquiry, right? So, do you have a line piece, Purva? B option, what do you know about our new teacher? C, how did you find the paper? And D, it is in my school bag. So D is always rejected because it is inquiry and this is the simple sentence. We have to focus only on A, B and C option. So what will be? Purva said, I have run out of paper. Shivangi said, making inquiry. Do you have a line, please, Purva? B, what do you know about your new teacher? And C, how did you find the paper? Right? So, we have no B. Only we have to focus now on A and C. See again, I have run out of paper. So, A said, do you have a line, please, Purva? See, how did you find the paper? Right? So, I have run out of the paper. So, the option will be for inquiry. Do you have a line piece? Purva is the proper option. Next, 11. Krupa said, may I go to drink water, sir? I am thirsty. Teacher said, we are granting permission. We have to give permission. Right? So, for permission, we are given option A. Why did you not bring water back? B. Where did you forget your school bag? C. You can, but return within 5 minutes. And option D. Keep patience till it is recess time. So granting permission, so no chance for asking patient, why did you not bring water? Where did you forget your school bag? These two are already rejected. Now we have to focus on C and D. You can but return within 5 minutes. And D, keep patience till it is recess time. And we are given the suggestion granting permission. Permission means granting permission એટલે એને રજા આપે. So keep patience till it is recess time is also rejected. So our answer will be you can but return within 5 minutes is the proper answer in which the teacher gives permission using can. You can. હવે તું જઈ શકે છે but return within 5 minutes. So can also used for a permission same like let, will in this way. Now 12. Sima said, why are you late, Bina? Bina said something. We have to answer with describing reason. With reason. Right? So why are you late, Bina? So option A. I am not late, Sima. Option B. Who says I am late? C option. I am late because I missed the bus. And option D. Did you come early, Seema? Right? So describing reason as the word reason we will have in mind as because since. So here there is the sentence with because in option C. I am late because I missed the bus. This describing reason. So for sentence 12 our option is C. I am late because I missed the bus. Now 13. Kashyap said, do you know where is the dictionary? Mr. Shah said, dash dash, exchanging alternative. બરાબર alternative આપવાના છે. See option. It is going to be published by Atul Prakashan. B. It may be either in the cupboard or in your school bag. Option C. Ask your friend if he has taken. And option D. It may be at home. Right? So alternative suggested with either or. So the answer is our option number B. It may be either in the cupboard or in your school bag. Now for 14. Chirag said, sorry sir, I could not do my English homework at night. I had to finish my maths work. Mr. Kothari says, dash, exchanging niceties. Says Chirag said, sorry sir, I couldn't do my English homework at night. I had to finish my maths work. So what will be Mr. Kothari's exchanging niceties? It's a okay, right? So option first it's okay. Option B, why is mathematics important? Option C, English is also important. And option D, wow. So the option A, it's okay, is exchanging niceties. 15. Mr. Kothari says, alright, but make sure you do it this evening. Chirag said, sorry, I can't. અને રિપોર્ટિંગ શું કરવાનું છે રિપોર્ટિંગ કરવાનો છે એટલે મિસ્ટર કોઠારીએ શું કીધું ઓલ રાઇટ બટ મેક શ્યોર યુ ડુ ઇટ ધીસ ઇવનિંગ. Chirag said, sorry, I can't. તો એનું રીઝન આપણે આપવાનું છે, રિઝલ્ટ એનું રિપોર્ટિંગ કરવાનું છે. તો સી ધ ઓપ્શન એ, what a nice suggestion. B, who will watch the live match? C, I have a volleyball practice. And D, is it proper time to do homework? So we have to do reporting. So no A is right answer, no B is right answer, no D option right answer. But for reporting, the option C, I have a volleyball practicer is the right option. Say Mr. Kothari said, alright, but make sure you do it this evening. Chirag said, sorry, I can't. I have a volleyball practice, sir. Right? So Chirag have given reporting of the question of a or suggestion of Mr. Kothari. Right? So we are given 3 marks question for this section C to make find out proper option for a niceties. So in section C, we have practice for 2 questions in functional approach to join A and B and to find out proper option regarding your suggestion. So here we have practiced for 6 marks in this session. So I think, dear students, all of you will have understand very well. We will practice more in another factors in next session. See you. Bye. I'll put the PDF in the classes. Okay. See you. Bye. Have a good day.